Today's video, I will be teaching you guys about a new hack to get free dice rolls on Monopoly Go in 2025. First of all, search for the monopolygo.game website and open that. And when that website is loaded on your screen, you will see of how to get Monopoly Go reward codes or how to redeem, and just simply click on how to get Monopoly Go reward codes. And from here, you will see of after some scrolling up and down, you will see of Monopoly Go free dice links today. So simply go to that, and in here you can see the Monopoly Go regularly updates its website of free dice links. So simply click on that of this option of Monopoly Go free dice links, of how to claim Monopoly Go free dice links. So they say to just tap on the link provided on your phone and you will be taken directly to the Monopoly Go app, just like this. And when you're in, a message will appear to let you know that you successfully claimed your dice, and then simply press collect and they're all yours. So yeah, this is the hack of 2025 to get free dice links in Monopoly Go game. So that's all. I wish you great rest of your day. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.